Welcome to the Golden Circle in Iceland, one of the country's most popular sightseeing routes. Among its many natural wonders lies the impressive Kerith crater, a volcanic crater lake located in the Grimsnes area. Kerith was formed about 3,000 years ago during a volcanic eruption. Unlike most volcanic craters, which are formed by explosions, Kerith is a caldera, meaning the cone collapsed into an empty magma chamber below. The crater is about 55 meters deep, 170 meters wide, and 270 meters across. At the bottom, you'll find a vibrant turquoise lake, which owes its striking color to minerals from the surrounding volcanic rocks. The red and black slopes around the crater contrast beautifully with the water, making it a favorite stop for photographers and nature lovers. Visitors can walk along the rim or descend to the water's edge for a closer look. Kerith is one of the few natural attractions in Iceland with a small entrance fee, helping with its maintenance and preservation. Whether you're interested in geology or just want to enjoy the raw beauty of Iceland, Kerith Crater is a must-see stop on the Golden Circle.